In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix file share in 2025, step by step. Let's get started by logging into your Wix account, which is your first move. Open your browser and head to www.wix. Once you're there, spot the login button, give it a click, and type in your credentials. Then choose the website where you want to add the file share functionality. With that out of the way, let's move on to adding the Wix file share app. You will do this by accessing the Wix editor. Look for the plus add button located on the left pane and click it. You will then select App Market. In the search bar at the top, type in file share and press enter. As luck would have it, this app will pop up, at which point you can click Add to Site. This step integrates the app seamlessly into your existing website setup. Now let's configure the app to make it work as you wish. On your page, click the file share element you've added, find the settings button, and open it up. Here's the fun part. You get to decide the types of files visitors can upload, whether PDFs, images, or even documents. You'll also want to organize everything neatly, and that's where folders come into play. Make them accessible, but organized for easier file management. Permissions are also crucial. You can set it so that files are either public, members only, or completely restricted. Choose wisely based on your audience's needs. Next, let's talk about customizing the appearance of your new file share feature. Hit the design button and you'll be met with a myriad of options. You can tinker with button styles, switch up folder icons, and tweak the file list layout. This is your chance to make these elements harmonize with the overall branding of your site. Consistency in design can tremendously enhance user experience, making your site more engaging. Before wrapping up, let's do a quick preview to make sure everything looks perfect. Click on Preview to see this from the perspective of your visitors. Once you're satisfied with how it looks and functions, click that Publish button. Now, your site is live and the file share app is functioning for the world to see and interact with. But what happens after publishing? Managing your files over time is essential for keeping things up to date. Navigate to your Wix dashboard and then the File Share App section to easily add, delete, or reorganize files whenever necessary. You can even check out download statistics to assess which files garner the most attention. There you have it. You've successfully set up and customized Wix file share. Thank you for watching, and happy sharing on your Wix.